Alright guys, we're gonna do another Touge video for you guys today. We are going to watch the meteor shower, God willing. We got Parsley's filling up gas right now. We're gonna meet a couple of people. There's gonna be we're gonna bring a Scion FRS and then Parsley's car. Yeah, we just gotta get some waters before.
Is this like this?
This is gonna get, it's so dry up there.
Is this like the cinematic, like?
Yeah, watch this. Oh my God, look how bright this is. I'm gonna go. All right, so this is what we're doing. We got the whole thing chilling in there. I don't know if he's gonna be able to see out that side. Yeah, I think he's chilling. But yeah, this car is loud as hell, bro. Bro, is this guy dead ass right now?
Make the most of it. I have a fat torque dip.
Is that your bit right here?
track days on it. I didn't know it was long.
I'm surprised. Like, 2 track days?
Right?
And
Oh, Jeffrey's here.
Holy crap. Guys, there's way too many people up here right now. This is like the busiest I've ever seen it at this time of night. It's like 12 o'clock right now. People everywhere. It's pretty exciting, honestly, because the meteor. It's okay.
I fight my friend.
A lot of BRZs and.
What's the move to
I can't find my